everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I have a good friend named Betsy. Say hello, Betsy.
Hello, Rosie.
Betsy is married to Chuck. Say hello.
Hello.
So Chuck is a cook. He likes to cook. And one day I'm hanging out at their house and he says, have you ever made homemade chocolate? And I said, no, I haven't. I've never made homemade chocolate. He said, so easy. So here we are. He's going to show us how to make homemade chocolate. So what's all this, Chuck?
All right, well, first off, we have some good cocoa powder. And here it is right here in a nice bag. And you want to make sure it says either Dutch processed or alkalized.
Okay, where did you get that?
I got this from Amazon.
Okay, so Dutch processed, I noticed that the Hershey's brand says Dutch processed
And this one says alkalized.
and alkalized. Okay,
It's the same thing. They're just taking the acid out. If you use the cocoa, it's bitter. So you really want to use this.
okay.
Okay, so we've got some coconut oil here. You see it's cloudy and chunky and thick. Doesn't look like oil at all, does it? And we have vanilla, real vanilla, good quality vanilla. And then we have 4 tablespoons of honey.
So that's 4 tablespoons of honey. How much?
Two. Tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of vanilla, half a cup of coconut oil. And how much was that?
Half a cup.
Half a cup of Dutch processed cocoa.
Powder.
Cocoa powder. Okay, so we're going to make this in a double broiler. We got it nice and hot in the back. I want to give you some suggestions if you wanted to add. We're not going to do that today, but these are really diced, very small walnuts. You could add this. You could add coconut, shredded coconut, and there's something. What was the other thing?
Rice Krispies.
Rice Krispies. You could add Rice Krispies as an addition. That would be really yummy too. Okay, so now we're going to go to the double broiler. So this is what I'm going to use as my double broiler. It's a simple saucepan with some water in it. I added a glass bowl, and the water is not supposed to touch the bottom of my bowl. I put it on a medium flame, and now I'm going to start heating up my bowl. So now I'm going to add my coconut oil, and I'm going to continuously stir it until it completely dissolves. So I'm going to stir it until it's completely transparent. So now I removed my bowl from the heat. I cleaned off the bottom from any excess water, and I'm going to start adding my cocoa powder slowly, just a little bit at a time, and keep stirring it until it's completely dissolved inside. Okay, so now I'm going to add my honey. Okay, add my honey, and then I'm going to keep stirring it until it completely incorporates in my mixture. And now I'm adding my vanilla. Keep stirring it. Now this is a 1/4 cup of sifted powdered sugar. We forgot to put that out earlier when I was with Chuck. But add that and it gives it a really good flavor. So this is a 1/4 cup of sifted powdered sugar. And continuously stir it until it's smooth. And now I'm going to pour it into my molds. These are my cute heart molds. And then here's my Christmas tree molds. And then my little bunny rabbit molds. Okay, now I'm going to put these in the refrigerator for 2 hours, or it goes even quicker if you want to put them in the freezer. And here's my finished product. Look how cute these are. And they are very good. So my little Christmas trees, my bunny rabbits, and my hearts. Now I'm going to give you some gift ideas. I went to Michael's craft store and I bought these little white bags and various stickers for various holiday occasions. So I got some for Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, and Easter. So what I did is I got little baggies and I put some little chocolates in each of the baggies. And then I put them in the bags and I started decorating each bag according to the occasion. So here's my Easter bag, very cute, with lots of Easter candy inside. And then I have my hearts, and that's for Valentine's Day or just I love you to anybody. And here's my little Mother's Day bag. Very cute. And then here's my Christmas bag. Now, I couldn't find any Christmas stickers, so that's not as cute as the other ones. But this is a really cute project. You can do this with the kids. So thank you to Chuck for coming on my channel and giving me the idea to make this chocolate. And it really comes out tasty. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.